Is that the entrance, or is this the entrance?
I think you can...
Oh, that's true. Yes, there's a lot of this. They're not going to give you rolls that are, and that's their show. You found it. Okay. All of them? Or just the family? Or do you represent your family? Or do you all under 18? You're under 18.
If they're under 18, you can sign them.
Okay. Mom, you need to sign.
Just a second.
Do you really want a little more room?
Let's see.
That's fine.
Huh?
Hi there, how are you? It smells good in that purse. That's some French fries purse.
He likes babies. He loves the smell of a baby.
Yeah, it's good.
Want to turn around?
Smell good.
Turn around? Let's turn around and go this way. Come on, let's go this way. Okay, now if you all want to reach out and pet him just real gently.
Oh my God.
And you can tell the difference in his outer fur compared to Taylor.
Isn't this one?
Isn't he beautiful?
Oh God.
This camera's not working.
Pet it the world. Pet it.
Obviously, we need to readjust how we put parts. It's not working.
Yeah. I don't know, this water is spread.
Where's the red one?
Did you see the water being spread?
Yes.
Mom, what is the red one? No, I'm glad we didn't even know about it. So.
My God, he's so pretty. Don't go away, honey.
I don't know what happened to him. I mean, the thing was going up and down.
Oh dear.
Everybody's out. Mom's out. Dustin's out.
Wow. That's what his mystery probably.
What's his name? Mystery, huh? Any story to him?
What?
Any story that told you?
He was one of the first.
One of the first.
Animals before she came here, and so she doesn't play well with others. But they picked up. You know, they were built over time progressively, and so however they started this way, and then I guess you know the other ones are a teeny bit bigger because they got built later.
Where's Yoda?
Yoda's that.
And
Died, right?
Mike's whole thing is one of them entanglement in her.
Mom, go put your, and you were going to put another one up along that side.
Yeah.
Apache.
We got some treats to give them.
Yeah, I wish we can bring Apache. Yes, you are responding to your name, darling. You're so good. You're so sweet, Apache. Apache.
Yeah, Apache, she's funny. She likes to take pictures.
She responds to her name. She was far away over there and came here. Apache.
God, she's got to be hot.
Oh, I'm glad you brought that.
Hi.
He was singing so pretty, no?
Wait, did you get that? I filmed it. You filmed him singing?
Now he's
And now did you get Mr. doing all the things?
I'm sorry.
Now every dog I've ever met
He likes her too much.
Okay, you want to turn around? You turn around?
Depends on
Turn
them
around?
and the mood. Everyone always watches out if they're in a mood. Sometimes he's the riper to bring them out.
Oh, I was catching when he goes away. No, Grandma.
Bye, sweetie.
Okay, say goodbye to the little baby one more time. Turn around.
Too bad.
Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go, good boy. Come on.
Is it turned on? But doesn't the thing have to get put
Oh, God, I got them too late, too. Mom, look.
You'll figure it out.
I got some.